ladies, it's Gracie with WTI. Have you ever worn a dress that not only makes you feel beautiful, but confident and elegant all at the same time? Well, this dress from Miss Ord has me speechless. We knew this dress was going to be pretty after looking at all the Amazon photos, but honestly, we didn't expect it to be this beautiful in person. Everything about this dress is top notch. It has a black undertone with this beautiful gold sequin pattern. It immediately catches your eye. And I just love how it has a long sleeve just on the one arm, which I think really adds to its elegance. It comes all the way to the floor. So this is my sister wearing it, and she's 5'6" tall, and she has on 3.5-inch heels. So heels are definitely a must with this dress. And she typically wears a size 8 in dresses. So we got this in the large size, which was a perfect fit for her. We love that it's a lightweight material, but it's not see-through at all. It's made out of 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So even though it does hug your body, the spandex gives it that perfect amount of stretch to make you feel comfortable all night long. And the chest is padded, so you really don't even need to wear a bra with it either. Okay, but my most favorite part about this whole dress is this removable train. I think this really adds so much character to the dress, and it takes it to the next level. My sister said she felt like a movie star while wearing this dress. She received tons of compliments, and everyone asked her where she got it from. So if you need a dress for your next big formal event, going with Miss Ord is a complete no-brainer. You will not be disappointed, and that's my point of view.